Okay, so we're back. NFL is kind of looking like it wants to start gapping up again, so I'll keep an eye on that. But like I said, I wanted to take a look over here at uh, AMD, which actually surprisingly it looks like it's gapping up. Um, if we look at the let's look at a little bit of a bigger time frame. Looks to seem it looks to see that it has somewhat of a support around the 328.2 area and a resistance of around I'd say the resistance is right around there, right where it's trading. So right now AMD is either going to have a breakout or it's going to get rejected from that 28.40 area. So let's see whether or not it can cross over that. With the markets being down, I wouldn't be surprised if it got rejected. So let's see if it can break over that 3.40 area. It's getting higher, but like I said, the market's been downtrending a lot right now, so I don't think it's going to be able to break over that resistance, which looks like a good put entry. So I'm currently searching up AMD on my other phone to try and place a trade. Since AMD is a stock that is relatively cheaper on share price than NFLX, then I have the opportunity to go a little bit more aggressive on it. So there we go. It's getting rejected off that, but I'm barely loading up the options. Oh, there we go. We got the break of 28.40. Is it going to be able to hold that? No, see, it doesn't look like it's trying to hold that. So it's getting rejected. So let's see. To play it safe, I think I'm gonna go with some 30 strike puts, because that allows me. Okay, sorry for that. I had an interruption, but as you can see, we definitely nailed that trade. I wasn't able to get filled because, like I said, I had an interruption and someone came into my room and I had to talk to them. But we can see that it got rejected from that 28.4 area and dropped all the way down to 28.33. So definitely could have made some really good profit on that. But I'm going to see, because this still looks like it has some potential to try and break over at 28.40 again, and hopefully we can get filled this time. Okay, so I resumed it because it spiked up and it looks like we're gonna get filled. There we go. We just got filled. So we're in a trade. So let's see what we can do with this. We got filled with 7 contracts at 0.90. It looks like it did gap up a little bit more. We could have possibly gotten a better entry, but SPY is not moving up. It's actually starting to drop down even more. So this rejection should happen. I'm going to go ahead and extend the line a little bit more to this price action over here. We're currently down. Oh wait, no, we're actually even. We're at break even right now. It looks like we're up $14. What I'm looking at is for AMD to cross under this EMA line, which is the green line. Okay, there it goes. We're up $28, 2%. It's dropping even more. So we're up $50 right now. So the price target is below 28.30 because the support is right here. I'm gonna go ahead and draw another line. We're up $70 right now. Right here is if it can break this line right there, then that's going to do some serious damage to AMD, and it's going to be very, very good for us. Excuse my drawings because they're on a computer, so they're on a phone, so that's why they're a little bit crooked. I'm going to try to straighten them out a bit. There we go. So I hope that's better. We're up $84 right now. So that line sits at around 28.30. So it looks like it's about to break. It just broke. So it's having a little bit trouble breaking it, forming some really good support off that 28.30 area. But if it breaks that, then it definitely has some room to gap down even more, and we should be looking at a pretty nice profit. So there goes the break. There we go. We got the break, but it looks like it's not going down any further. So we're currently up $84, like I said right now. I'm looking for a break below 28.30, but like a decisive one, because it's going under 28.30, but then it bounces once it hits the 28.28, 28.29. So if it breaks that 28.28, then we should see a really big downside move of like 5 cents. But we're up 6% on it right now. Let's see. They're currently trading for around 202. So I'm gonna wait it out a couple more minutes to see if it can get that break of point 30, because honestly it does look like it wants to do it. Let me check the price of SPY. SPY is dropping really fast, so I'm quite surprised that AMD is holding up this well. So I'm definitely gonna hold a little bit longer. Okay, so there we go. We got the break. We got the break that we were looking for. We're up $105, and I'm gonna go ahead and lock in profits. We're gonna go ahead and put a sell order for 204 and see if we can get filled at that. We put a sell order at $2.04, so I'm trying to see if we can get filled at that. We got the break of the 28.30 area that we were looking at right here. And like I said, please excuse my drawings because I'm doing this on my phone, and it's a little bit harder to draw on my phone than on the actual computer. So there we go. We're going to go ahead and click this live trade for you guys that don't believe me that I actually do trade and do all that. But there we go. Live trade, we're up $97. And we go over to the trade history. Where's AMD? AMD's over here. Hold up. Where is it at? Oh, there we go, right here. So we bought them at 1.90, like I said, 7 contracts, and then we sold. What time did we sell? We sold at 204, and we sold them at 1004. What time did we buy? We bought them at 10, so that was a live trade, 5 minutes, over $100. It was how much was it? Just below $100. So $98 in, what was it, 4 minutes of trading, and now we're done. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this live trading video, and I don't know if I'm gonna be making more of them because. Like I said, I wasn't able to alert this in the group chat because I'm so focused in trading and talking. So I'm going to go ahead and wait for the feedback and see if you guys prefer me to do these types of videos and not make that many callouts, or not make live trade videos and do more callouts and focus on actually alerting them in the group chat. But that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And hopefully this gives you a little bit more insight on my trading strategies. And that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.